Did you know that most students never finish an online course? And that's a big problem. What it means, they are missing out on the value that you have created. But what if you could change that by making your courses more engaging and more rewarding? Imagine your students earning badges for completing lessons, attending live sessions, or even taking simple actions on your website. With our GamiFlix template, you can turn learning into a game by using badges as a powerful layer of motivation and interactivity that keeps your students coming back for more. Badges are more than just digital stickers. They are powerful motivators. They keep your students a sense of achievement, encourage them to keep going, and create a fun and gamified experience that keeps them engaged. And whether it's for completing a module, attending a live event, or taking a specific action, badges celebrate progress and keep your students coming back. I'm Bastiaan de Koning. I'm from Jiffy Courses Online. And badges in Kajabi courses are an exclusive feature in our course templates. You can find them in Gamified Lite, Gamified Pro, and GamiFlix. And that's right, only our template offered this, and this makes them truly unique in the Kajabi ecosystem. We're the pioneers of gamification in Kajabi, and thousands of course creators use our templates to elevate their students' experience. If you want to stand out, you're in the right place. GamiFlix is the ultimate course and membership template for Kajabi. It's designed to make your content look and feel like a high-end streaming platform like Netflix, but with interactive features and gamification tools. And it's created in collaboration with Penny in Your Pocket and Jiffy Course Online. And GamiFlix combines a high-end look, engagement, and ease of navigation into one powerful template. GamiFlix operates on the Kajabi e-learning platform, and this is an all-in-one platform that helps course creators to build an successful online business. If you're new to Kajabi, I can imagine you being curious about this platform. Well, just follow the link below, start your 30-day free trial, and get our special bonus. But for now, let's explore the badge feature in GamiFlix. Here we are in the GamiFlix admin part of the template. And this is the GamiFlix template. It has a lovely Netflix style, as you see. And on top we have the dashboard with all our gamification items. Today we're talking about badges. What you see, there's a button on top calling badges. And when you click on this, a new panel will open with all the badges you can see. And you can choose if you want to use the drop down button, as this is, or you can keep them visible all the time so people immediately will see the badges they have earned. On the left side of the screen you will see the badges you currently have, and you can count there are 8 badges. If you want to add more badges, just click the button add badge and a new badge will be added. And you can change the images of the not earned badge as you can change the image of the earned badge. And what you see now, we have 10 badges here, but there are just 8 on a line. And if you want to have multiple badges on one line or have 10 badges on a line, click this button and you will see there are 10 badges here. On mobile, you can also select how many badges you want to see. So if you go to mobile, you will see 4 in a line, and you can change it, for example, to 5 in a line, so it will match better your template layout. The number of badges are unlimited. We have seen people using 84 different badges. If you want to use that, that's okay. We think it's a lot, but it's possible. What you see, these are all color badges. These are the badges people have earned. But when we go to the preview, you will see that all the badges are grayed out. And people need to earn them, and they will change to the colored badge when they earned that specific badge or when they did that specific action. When you click on a badge, you can change the image from the not owned badge and the image from the owned badge. So it will just flip based on the action they have taken. And when you hover over the badges, you will get some comment Let me take out this one. Now it's grayed out. You get some motivational text you can add to put on top of your badge so people know how they can earn this badge. And when they have earned the badge, you can change this text to a different text saying what they have done, why they are really great. One really exciting feature of the GamiFlix template are the hidden badges. You can make a badge hidden as long as people haven't earned this badge. So let's call this badge rename hidden. And we make this badge hidden for the people that didn't earn this badge by just clicking one setting. So when we go to the save, you only see these 8. But as soon as people have earned this badge, it will pop up on the screen showing that earned badge. And this is ideal if you want to grant people badges for activities they can no longer earn, like attending a live training or attending your live workshop or attending some kind of Zoom call. People who were there, they can earn this badge, but people who weren't there, it's no longer for them possible to earn it, so it's no use to show a grayed out badge. Well, these are just a few examples you can use for badges, and I hope that you will implement them also in your online courses. Now you know a little bit more about how badges work in the GamiFlix templates. Let's talk about where can you use badges? How can you use them? And here are some ideas you can implement in your courses. You can use badges for completing lessons or for completing full modules. You can use badges for attending a live event or a webinar, and they can be special for only the people who have been there. You can use a badge for filling out a form or survey, and when they filled in this form or survey, they earn this badge. You can use badges to get them subscribed to your newsletter or to engage with your emails. You can gray out this badge as long as they are not on your mailing list, and when they are on your mailing list, you make it visible. You can use badges to motivate them to do additional purchases or to motivate them to enroll in additional courses. The possibilities are endless, and with GamiFlix, you can build a personalized badge system that perfectly aligns with your course or your membership goals. If you're ready to bring badges to Kajabi, try the GamiFlix demo and you can see how it can transform your students' experience. Well, sign up for the free demo for GamiFlix with the link below, and we will take you to a movie studio setting in the 40s of the previous century. It's really wonderful to see, and you get a great feeling of what GamiFlix absolutely can do and can do for your business. And if you're new to Kajabi, start your 30-day free trial with our link below and get our free bonus. I love to hear your creative ideas. And what action could you think of that you can reward with a badge? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and hit the bell to stay updated on more GamiFlix features. Thank you for watching. Happy gamifying.